Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. For today's video I've got another haul for you from CRAFTYFOX251. She has very kindly sent me some more of her glitters. I believe these ones are new ones to her little shop. And also, her being a star she is, she has also sent me some more of those scratch and sniff stickers for my kids, which I really appreciate, April. You really didn't have to, but thank you so much. So I'm going to try and keep this video short and sweet today. I'm going to dive straight in. I'm going to show you all of her gorgeous new glitters and also the stickers. I hope you'll enjoy. If you do, please remember to give it a thumbs up. And other than that, let's get started. Her little note is adorable. She's put, "Dear Sammy J, here's a big thank you for all your help and being a lovely new friend. Love, April." She's literally so sweet. I love her to pieces. I'm going to start off with the scratch and sniff stickers. She asked me to pick 4 flavours and it's really tough. She's got so many flavours on there, but these ones are chocolate. And literally she sent me like a whole entire sheet of them. Look at all them. We've got watermelon, we've got strawberry, and we've also got banana. The kids are going to absolutely love these. I am going to quickly open them up because I'm going to have a quick sniff myself and let you guys know if they really do smell like what they're meant to, because I'm just so curious about them. They're just, I'm a big kid really, but I love things like this just because they're so different, and I know the kids are going to love these. Right, so we've got banana. Yeah, that smells just like banana milkshake, that does. That's really cool. My son's going to love those ones because he's absolutely obsessed with bananas. Yeah, you know, like strawberry chapstick, they kind of smell like that. It's such a gorgeous smell. They really do smell exactly like how they should as well, because you do get some stuff that reckons it's like scented and it just doesn't smell nothing like how it's meant to. But yeah, my daughter's absolutely obsessed with watermelons and she's gonna absolutely love these. Literally, my kids, they love their fruit, but like I could buy a whole entire watermelon, like a really big watermelon, and they would literally sit there and scoff the whole entire thing if they could. Like literally, I'll just sort of chop up like half a watermelon and give them both a quarter and it's just gone. They absolutely love their watermelons. So yeah, no, they proper smell like how they should. They do. They're really cool. And let's on the back here as well. These are different scents that you get. So you've got bubblegum, strawberry, vanilla, orange, cola, fairy floss. I think it's more like candy floss, but watermelon, chocolate, popcorn, pineapple, lemon and banana. So there's a good variety of scents there, and they're just really fun. I think they're great for the kids. And then moving on, we've got a whole bunch of glitter here, which I'm really excited. I haven't even had a good look at it myself yet. I've peeked in the bag, but I haven't actually opened them up and had a look, so I'm really excited. But I believe these are the new glitters that she will be selling on her shop. So I'm just going to pull them out one by one and we'll have a look. This one is hollow copper. It's a really nice sort of ultra fine sort of burnt orange copper glitter. Super holographic. Like, look at the lid. It's gorgeous. Very nice. We have then got metallic teal. Oh wow. Oh, that's a gorgeous colour, that is. I don't think the camera's really truly showing that up, but that is really pretty. I like that a lot. So yeah, that's metallic teal. We've got metallic bubbly. Oh yeah, that's nice. Oh wow, okay. I don't know if the camera's actually showing that up, but it kind of is. Can you see the pink in that? So it's like a champagne colour, but it's also got pink in there as well. Isn't that pretty? Yeah, that's gorgeous. Really like that. Then we have got metallic sage. Ooh. A gorgeous shade of green. These are all ultrafine glitters, by the way. They are so pretty. Got neon coral. You guys know that I love my coral glitters. Isn't that lush? I love that colour so much. It's got a gorgeous sort of iridescent sort of green shift to it. Yeah, I really like that one as well. We have got hollow lemon cheesecake. Ooh, look how bright that is. That couldn't get more neon if we tried, would it? Could it? got an iridescent shift to it, that one. That's proper bright yellow, that is. That was really nice. I like that a lot. We've got Neon Shockwave. Look how bright that is too. It's proper bright pink, that is. That's really nice as well, because it's like, it's kind of like a matte glitter. It's got a slight sparkle, but it's like a matte one as well, as you can sort of see in the lid there. Yeah, it's really nice. It's so bright and pink as well. I love that. Next we have got Metallic Ocean. Ooh, it's a gorgeous shade of blue. Very subtle sort of holographic shift on it. Yeah, that's really pretty. I like that. We've got Hollow Babe. That is a proper light pink, that, isn't it? It's proper like baby pink. Really gorgeous shift on it again. We have got Metallic Cherry. Ooh, look at that one. I've got one very similar to this actually, but I've nearly run out of it. So I'm very happy about this one. I like these pink ones because they sort of shift purple and kind of like red as well. They're really pretty. Yeah, I like that a lot. Then we have got Hollow Raspberry. Super shiny pink metallic glitter. It's really nice as well. Gorgeous shade of pink. And then lastly we have got Hollow Sea. There's a gorgeous blue one again. That nice sort of holographic shift that's got the green in it. Really pretty though. I like ultrafine glitters because they're so easy to work with, plus you don't need to worry about encapsulating them as such. You can just put a good layer of like top coat over them and they're absolutely fine. And you can just do so much with ultrafine glitters. I don't buy them enough really. I'm always buying these chunky ones. I really like these ones though. I think my favourite's probably the lemon cheesecake and the bubbly and the coral. I really like the teal one. I really like them all, to be honest. They're really nice, a really nice range of colours. We've got a great selection of colours here, and also we've got like holographic, we've got iridescent, we've got metallic, we've got neon mattes. Great little selection here. I really like them all. I think they're 5ml pots and they are pretty full, so I'm assuming there's probably around 5 grams in there, so you get a really good amount, especially for the price. But if you guys haven't already seen, I've done 2 other videos on her products, and she's got a fantastic selection of products, loads of different glitters. She's got like striping tape, sequins, stickers. She's literally got a bit of all sorts on there. I see she's also even doing a mystery box now, which is kind of cool, for £4. She's got earrings. She's literally got so many different items to pick from, and they're all really affordable. I see she's also got some mica powders now. She's got some nail charms. Oh yeah, I see we've got the lemon cheesecake, 85p. Yeah, so all these pots are 85p, which is really affordable. Yeah, all of her products are really affordable, really fantastic. She's just got so much on there, literally all sorts. So I will leave all of her details linked in the description box. I will also link my other 2 videos that I've done as well, in case you'd like to watch those. But otherwise, thank you so much to April for sending me all these glitters, and also stickers for the kids as well. They are going to absolutely love those. I really appreciate you sending me some of those. And yeah, I love all the glitters, they're gorgeous. And thank you to everyone else for watching. I really do appreciate it. I hope you've all enjoyed this video. If you have, please remember to give it a good thumbs up. And other than that, I hope you all have a fantastic day, whatever you're doing. Much love to you all, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!